Hey y'all, this is me, Aaliyah Donelle, and welcome to my channel, Aaliyah's World, where this is my world and you're just living in it. Today's video, I'll be doing a fashion breakdown on Cher from Clueless, and yeah, let's get into the video. Cher's wardrobe is a masterclass in blending preppy old money aesthetics with a touch of romantic flair, all while maintaining a distinctly girly charm. Every piece she wears, from her iconic tartan minis to her perfectly chosen accessories, reflects her effortlessly polished and slightly clueless persona. Cher is almost never without a skirt, favoring minis that show off her legs. Pleated tartan skirts dominate her wardrobe alongside other preppy staples like straight cut or flare skirts. Her dresses are equally iconic. Think baby doll or A-line styles, with hemlines always above the knee. Always. Short sleeves are her go-to, often paired with structured blazers, crop cardigans, or light sweaters. She's unafraid to layer, adding business shirts or sweaters to elevate a simple look. When layering, she knows how to keep it balanced, ensuring her outfit stays sleek yet playful. Tartan is the reigning pattern of her wardrobe. Tartan pieces show off her preppy side. Stripes and argyle is also very important. These classic patterns make the occasional appearance, particularly in her sweaters or vests. And while she loves patterns, Cher is equally confident going patternless, with her outfits often featuring black and white, either individually or together. But when she does add color, it's always bold and intentional. A bright cardigan, a vibrant headband, or statement socks perfectly offset her monochrome staples. She's also not afraid to tone it down with a soft blue or a neutral brown. Now, moving on to her accessories. Her earrings are typically understated, like dainty studs or small hoops. Occasionally, she'll wear small, dangling earrings, but always keep them chic and minimal. And necklaces isn't a constant part of her look, but when she does wear a necklace, it's always delicate. Whether it's a short chain or a longer, dainty piece, it complements her outfit rather than stealing the spotlight. Headbands are her signature accessory, rather sleek and simple or subtly embellished. Scrunchies match her outfits, often securing a ponytail or loose braid. But a beret is her wild card, adding just the right amount of flair to complete her most sophisticated looks. Knee-high socks are a frequent addition, especially with her skirts, paired with loafers, schoolgirl shoes, or elegant heels. They emphasize her preppy, feminine style. For purses, she favors smaller ones, perfectly sized for the essentials and always chosen to complement her outfit. Some of Cher's standout pieces include fur cuffs around the wrists of her sweaters or jackets, adding a luxurious touch that nods to her old money aesthetic. Cher's hair is a reflection of her polished yet laid-back persona. Most days, she wears it flowing and simple, keeping it glossy and effortless. Occasionally, she opts for a ponytail secured with a scrunchie or loose casual braids, but her signature style remains her natural down-do with just the right amount of bounce. Period. Cher embodies the classic 90s high school it girl, stylish, confident, and just a little bit of clueless, with a wardrobe that perfectly balances preppy polish and romantic charm. If I can rename this look, I will name it High Class Chic. And if you want to emulate this person's style, rewatch this video as many times as needed. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next video. Bye!
Gucci, Balenci, rockin' that Fendi designer, got plenty. Drippin' in Louis and Jimmy. No, don't try to run up, got the 30 stick with me. Shootin' the store, we gon' shoot on my side. Shootin' the lot, we gon' shoot out the ride. He not a shooter, he closing his eyes. Put him in sleep with the tears in her eyes.